This question is asking us to find the length of one blade of the windmill. We can see it's labeled as X there in the diagram. Our strategy is to first find the total length from the top of the windmill down to its base. We'll call that distance h for height. And then we're going to also need to calculate the length from the center of the windmill there down to its base, and then we'll label that as y. So in order to find that distance of x, what we're going to want to do is just calculate h minus y to get that distance of x. So we're going to be utilizing some trigonometry here to help us. So to find our h distance, it might help just to kind of draw the triangle over here, this big triangle where our height is h, our base length is 440, and the angle we know is 38.8 degrees. Okay, so we got to figure out which trig ratio we're going to utilize, and because we're looking for the side opposite of the angle, and we know what the adjacent side, we're going to be using the tan ratio, because the tan ratio is opposite over adjacent. So let's go ahead and write that out. Tan of 38.8 degrees, sorry, it's a little messy there, it's going to equal opposite, which is our h, over 440. So to solve for h, we're going to multiply. We're going to take 440 multiplied by tan of 38.8 degrees. And after we type that in our calculator, we're going to get a rounded answer of 353.8. Great, so now we know the value of h, 353.8. Now we just need to find out the value of y. So for y, we're going to be looking at this smaller triangle. We're going to be using the tan ratio again. So tan of 30 degrees this time, you'll notice it's a different triangle, is going to equal y over 440. So same strategy here. We're going to find y, you would multiply 440 and tan of 30, and that should get you an answer of approximately 254 if we round it. All right, now to find our answer, we're going to take that h value, 353.8, subtract 254, and that's going to give us our answer of, oh, look at that, 100, when we round it to the nearest foot. So 100 feet is our answer. All right, that is all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.